for me the word exercise.
E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E.
Very good. Go ahead and erase. Salmonetti. Spell for me the word fudge.
F-U-D-G-E.
Very nice. Go ahead and erase.
The second clip you're going to see was done on a Scholastic News based on invasive species. This focused on the Burmese pythons and the problems they're causing in the ecosystems in Florida.
How many of you want to hang out with this guy? Jacob, why am I not surprised?
They were at the library.
I'm just saying a snake like this could probably eat a whole deer.
I want to take them.
Now, question to you, who can tell me? Now, this snake, it's not like it could just chase you down, right? It can't chase you down, can it? Can it chase you down?
Yes.
You can't outrun a snake?
No.
Really?
If you're one,
I'm surprised.
because fast.
Now, how do snakes kill their prey?
They have
What? Raise your hand, please. Leo, how do you think a snake kills its prey? Because it's not that it can speed after you like a cheetah. It's not the same thing. It can't attack you like that. It can snap out and bite you. But that wouldn't kill you unless it was poisonous, and these are not poisonous. What are they known for, Leo?
They squeeze their prey to death until
So they squeeze you to death until your heart stops beating. How many of you want to be squeezed? 1,000 ways to die. Each group is going to need one of these. This is the battery holder. Oh, everybody, oh. We'll talk about this camera later. Everyone will get a battery. Let me show you how to use the battery. Which end do you think is going to touch the spring?
The fourth clip for my student teaching video is on a math lesson. In this math lesson, we're focusing on mixed numbers and improper fractions. The students kind of struggled with this idea and this concept. So what I did every day before class started is I would give them a couple demo problems on the board. They would try to work them out. If they had the correct answer, I would allow them to go up to the board and work it out in front of the class, and then they could share their strategy with their peers.
Number 1, 8/7 made into a mixed number is 1 1/7. Nice job, Ish. Give him fingers. That's not what I asked. Ed, that's not what I asked. That's 2. Me too, I'm very sorry. Number 2, who did number 2 for me? Brooke, nice. Tell us what you did, Brooke. This was a tricky one. I gave you the mixed number 1 1/3, and you had to make it into an improper fraction. So tell us what you did first. Okay, so the bottom, your denominator told you how many pieces we needed to make a whole.
The clip you're going to see is an extension of the electricity lab that we had done a couple days prior. This lab, they were going to be able to bring in 5 objects from home that were no bigger than their thumbnail, and they were going to test them in the circuit to see if they would power the light bulb. What you're going to do now is you're going to be testing the different objects that you brought from home. Okay? First thing you're going to need is your battery. The battery is going to go into the battery holder. Which side goes into the battery holder? Which side goes where?
This side goes into the spring.
Goes against the spring. Very good. Okay? You're going to be careful putting it in there. Okay? It's all the way in now. You need 3 balancing time. Where is this going to go? Let's review. Do you remember? Okay. You're going to push this piece down before you push it down. This has to go through. Do you see what I'm talking about? How it's going through right here? Okay. So now you have 1 wire connected. The next one is going to go with the bulb in here first. You don't got to push hard. All you have to do is screw it in very slowly. Don't have to break it or anything. All you gotta do is make sure that black piece is touching the metal on the bottom, okay? So now this one is going to flip in here. Same exact idea and concept as this one. You're gonna push it down, you're gonna push this in. It's gonna go through, okay? Close it. Now we need 1 more wire. This wire is gonna go. We need 2 more wires. This wire is gonna go through here, just like on the other side. Make sure metal and metal is touching. Now, this end is going to touch the object that you're testing. This end on this one is going to go under here so that everything is connected and straight. You don't need to wrap, these two should not be touching to test something, okay? You're going to take one side, touch the object object, take the other side and touch the other end of the object. These two should not be flicking because they will light the bulb either way. Okay? Alright, good talk. Send your cleanup crew